It's a tricky time of year for a candy factory to suffer a cyber attack, but that is exactly what happened to one Illinois company who makes popular Halloween treats. Just weeks before millions of kids head out to build their annual candy stash, candy giant Ferrara Candy, who you may know as the makers of Nerds, Laffy Taffy, SweetTarts, and other Halloween favorites, was struck by a ransomware attack on October 9th. At a critical time, production in their manufacturing facilities was impacted by this attack, but is now back up and running. While the company is trying to get through their backlog of orders, they do not expect a significant impact on the consumer in the wake of this attack. The amount of the ransom, and whether or not Ferrara chose to pay it, are not known at this time. The group responsible for the attack is also currently unknown. One tactic used by attackers is to strike at critical times. This helps to convince the victim to just pay the ransom, thereby minimizing the impact on their business. With Acronis Cyber Protect, there is no need to worry about ransomware, as the included active protection will detect and block ransomware no matter who is behind it.